tugawan pa.
Adawan na rin kita.
Paigig ka sa agtugaw ni ate. Ay, agtugaw.
To our respected guests of honor and speaker, Police Executive Master Sergeant Mary Ann A. Ugan, Ma'am. To our brilliant Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Rosalinda P. Salmasan, Ma'am. To our dedicated officer in charge, Mrs. Bebsi A. Dadulia, Ma'am. Our honorable municipal, barangay and school officials, other guests, dedicated teachers, beloved parents, fellow graduates, completers, and awardees. A pleasant morning to all. Today is a very special day for all of us. As grade 6 graduate, I stand here filled with joy, pride, and gratitude. With the team Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. We're reminded that our journey is not just about finishing a chapter, but about becoming responsible individuals ready to face the future. First and foremost, I would like to thank our dear teachers. You have been more than just educators. You have been our guides, our mentors, and our second parents. You patiently taught not only lessons from books, but also values that shape our character. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless love, support, and sacrifices. You are our source of strength and inspiration. Every success we celebrate today is also yours. You believe in us even when we doubt ourselves. And for that, we are forever grateful. Thank you ta, to my sisters, to my uncles and aunties. Thank you for your love and sacrifices. To my fellow graduates, we did it through challenges, lessons, laughter, and even failures. As we move forward, let us carry with us the competence we have gained and the strong character we have built. Let us be kind and courageous leaders of tomorrow. To our school, thank you for providing us with a safe and nurturing environment where we could grow, learn, and discover our potential. This place has been our second home, filled with memories we will always treasure.